The 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast is the ultimate expression of naturally aspirated V12 performance, a masterpiece that keeps Ferrari's legacy alive with breathtaking power, precision engineering, and unmatched Italian craftsmanship. At a time when turbochargers and hybrid technology are dominating the supercar landscape, Ferrari stays true to its roots with the 812 Superfast, delivering a driving experience that is raw, visceral, and emotionally charged. Under the sculpted hood lies a monstrous 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, producing an earth-shattering 830 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful front-engine Ferraris ever built. This powerhouse screams all the way up to 9,500 RPM, delivering a spine-tingling exhaust note that defines Ferrari's DNA. The instant throttle response and the linear power delivery ensure that the 812 Superfast accelerates like a bullet, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 211 miles per hour. The immense power is complemented by Ferrari's cutting-edge aerodynamics, where every sculpted line, aggressive vent, and rear diffuser work in harmony to maximize downforce and stability at high speeds. The car's active aerodynamics, including movable flaps and rear diffusers, intelligently adapt to driving conditions, ensuring maximum grip and control even at breakneck speeds. Inside, the 812 Superfast combines race-inspired design with luxurious craftsmanship, creating an interior that feels both high-tech and opulent. The cockpit is completely driver-focused, with a flat-bottom carbon fiber steering wheel featuring Ferrari's signature Manettino dial, allowing instant adjustment of driving modes. Paddle shifters provide lightning-fast gear changes, while the full digital instrument cluster immerses the driver in real-time performance data. The premium leather and Alcantara upholstery, stitched to perfection, wrap around the ultra-lightweight sports seats, offering a perfect blend of comfort and support for high-speed cornering. Unlike modern supercars filled with massive touchscreens, Ferrari stays true to its heritage by keeping the controls simple and intuitive, ensuring that the driver remains fully engaged with the road. Every detail inside the 812 Superfast is crafted with passion, from the metal-trimmed buttons to the carbon fiber accents that enhance the sporty aesthetics. The handling capabilities of the 812 Superfast are nothing short of extraordinary, thanks to Ferrari's advanced four-wheel steering system and side-slip control 6.1. This technology allows the car to remain incredibly agile while delivering razor-sharp cornering precision, making it feel as nimble as a mid-engine supercar despite its front-engine layout. The lightweight chassis, combined with Ferrari's latest electronic aids, ensures that the car feels planted and confident at any speed. Whether attacking tight corners on a mountain pass or unleashing its full power on the Autobahn, the 812 Superfast remains composed, precise, and exhilarating. Ferrari has also equipped the 812 with one of the best braking systems in the industry, featuring massive carbon ceramic brakes that provide fade-free stopping power, bringing this beast to a halt with incredible precision. Visually, the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast is a head-turner from every angle. The bold front fascia features aggressive air intakes and sleek LED headlights that create a piercing, futuristic look. The muscular rear fenders and sculpted hood give the car a dominant presence, while the quad exhaust tips and rear diffuser emphasize its racing pedigree. Ferrari has perfected the balance between beauty and aggression, ensuring that the 812 Superfast looks just as fast as it drives. The iconic Rosso Casa paint gleams under showroom lights, accentuating every curve and aerodynamic detail that makes this car a true work of art. With the automotive world shifting towards electrification, the 812 Superfast stands as a symbol of Ferrari's commitment to delivering raw, unfiltered driving excitement. This may be one of the last naturally aspirated V12 Ferraris ever made, making it an instant collector's item and a dream car for purists. The combination of breathtaking performance, jaw-dropping design, and Ferrari's legendary craftsmanship ensures that the 812 Superfast remains one of the greatest Grand Tourers ever built. For those who crave the ultimate Ferrari experience, this machine is nothing short of perfection. Auto Igniters brings you the latest updates on the most exciting cars, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more.